Live on the Spiderman video shoot. You know what I'm saying? The Spiderman featuring Rob D. Got the scene backdrop, got the train. You know what I'm saying? Got this nice little backdrop. You know what I'm saying? That's why we hustle. Look at this nigga. Got Rob D. He don't even memorize the words to the song. So I got him in the car listening to the words to the song before the video shoot. Look, Rob D.
In here getting it together, y'all. Fox one of them spontaneous dudes. He likes to write in the studio.
Let's go do this shit. Let's do it.
I agree with that because I feel like writing in the studio don't bring out the best in the artist. So therefore, I didn't know my song. So I'm sitting here trying to listen to it so I can get some of it in here. Rappers, stop writing in the studio. Write the stuff at home. Therefore, it be in your soul and your heart, and you can spit it back even in Chinese.
All right, keep practicing, man. We ready to shoot this video, man. That's it, man. We out.